Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, February the 28th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into the Novia trading room. Some of you may know we are experimenting with another trading room. I'm running them side by side concurrently, sharing the same screen and all that, so it's the same visual effect for you guys, and commentary is the same. It's a different look within the trading room, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be switching. So if you haven't had a chance to go into our new trading room, the link is in this. You'll see it in the body of the email. And I open the room every day at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and that's when I start to share my screen and get live in the mic at 9:05. Go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. All right. Wow. Couple of fantastic Holly alerts, and again, because I'm trying to moderate a couple of trading rooms at the same time and doing a lot of different things. This is one that when it came, I said, man, I really want to see, I want to take this one, want to really watch this one, and it did this, unfortunately, and it kind of took my concentration off. But here was the alert from Holly right there, okay? And this 15-minute chart, and see how it kind of just did nothing for a bit. And then look at this move on this SVMK. And, you know, I mean, you don't get too much better than that. Remember, this is a 15-minute, these are 15-minute candles. Very, very steady. You know, a couple little topping tails and all that, but very, very steady up. 1445 on the alert, and hits a high of 1571. You know, I mean, right now it's up 7.68%. Another one, and again, this is just as I was taking my break, unfortunately. Not quite as interesting to me on the daily chart, but look at Java. I mean, here was the alert at 657. So it would have been on that candle there, and it came back down. And then once, and this is 15-minute candles, and then once it started to move, look at the move on this candle right there. And it's a high of 737 from 657. Just a tremendous percentage move. Now, I'm not saying you could get it right at 657 and you sell right at the top. But as I always say, you know, just give me the middle 2/3 and I'd be very happy, especially on percentage movers like that. So what I also want to show you, though, is a couple of the strategies. In fact, I better... So this is the down big yesterday, up reversing today. Look at some of the moves from this, and then we were saying, you know, just a really nice watch list. So there's Alder. Here's the alert. Look at the candle. Look at the alert, and look at the move after. MYL, not quite as dramatic. You know, it didn't. I mean, but it would have. I mean, here's the alert at 26.28, and it hits 26.79. This is, Weight Watchers was awesome. Look at the alert here, and it kept moving higher and higher and higher. I mean, the alert was at 1996. It hits 2175. Bold. Look at this alert. 3083 right here. It hits 3310. I mean, a little pullback there, but my goodness. Now, even the TiVo is excellent. The problem is that I didn't get in till here. I wanted that break on 10. And I was talking about it so much, and I missed my entry right around here. So I'm kind of in right where I bought it at 1020, 1022 I think is where I bought. So we'll see what happens. But you know, again, if you took it right there, another great alert. I don't know. I know these I'm not sure about. 2286, yeah, not bad. ELF I think actually moved down, yeah, but not bad. I mean, it hasn't moved from. I think this one might have moved 3720, and it hits, yeah, I mean 30, not great, but I guess all I'm trying to say is that there were some tremendous moves from the down big yesterday and trying to reverse today, and a lot of people in the room, of course, were following that one. On the flip side, we have up big yesterday but down today. So there was the alert at this one. There was 3072 on the alert, and it goes all the way down to 29.81. I mean, oh, almost $1. I mean, these are just, so we had alerts going in both directions. I know there were some other ones from that. You know, this is again the up big yesterday, just basically the flip, you know, of that one. I did take a couple of other trades, but not really worth going over. Again, I've been concentrating more on trying to get people to go into the other room, just to check it out. The developer is usually there first thing in the morning, so it's a great opportunity to say, hey, you know, I wouldn't mind seeing this feature, or how do I do this, how do I do that? And because I'm pretty sure we are going to be changing to the new room, from benefit for you guys is that the pop. Oops, let me get rid of my Slack conversation. Just a second here. One of the big benefits for you guys is that the chat portion can pop out, so you can put it anywhere you want. And what a lot of people are saying is that no, and they're saying no offense, but we don't often look at we don't have to look at your screen all day long, but we do want to see the posts and hear your commentary. So that's absolutely perfect. I mean, you could be, you know, on a very small tablet if that's what you want, or your phone, and you know, or at work, you know, doing trading when you're not supposed to be. But seriously though, I mean, it's a great feature. There are all sorts of other little interesting features. For instance, when I post an alert, say I'm getting into into something, I post it, and immediately something will pop up for you. You don't have to accept it, you know, but I mean, if you say you don't want pop-ups ever, fine. But if you say yes, then every time I get into something, and maybe even other sorts of alerts, not necessarily even trades, but maybe I'm just saying, hey, watch this one, guys, you'll get a little pop-up. You know, and so there's all sorts of cool little features that the developer that this room has already, and that in talking with the developer, you know, he's very open to a lot of the suggestions that I have made, and he's going to be incorporating a lot of them. So very excited about maybe the switch. You know, we've been with Omnovia for 4 years. I have no problem with Omnovia, but they're maybe, I guess, a bigger company, and they're just a little more resistant to changing. I mean, from the beginning, I asked just simply, can I change the names of the tabs? You know, we have announcements, general chat, and all that. Nope, can't do it. So anyway, that is what is probably going to happen, and I can't tell you exactly when. You know, it's not going to be like an immediate switch. We will probably run the rooms concurrently. Probably in Omnovia, we'd have a big banner saying come to the other room, maybe for a couple of weeks, just so that people, you know how to get to the new room. Anyway, I want to get back into both rooms. So if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. Again, this is the link for the Omnovia trading room, and in the email you're getting, you'll see the link for the other room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock, so I hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.